Welcome to the weekly weather briefing, updated Thursday, November 3rd, 2016, from NWS Jackson. For the highlights, cold front expected late today into early Friday, but little precipitation expected. Also, we're going to have some fire concerns in the wake of this cold front for Friday going into the weekend for low humidity and marginal winds. And some of the long-range models show some chance of rain around the middle of next week, but not enough for drought relief. For the short term, there's the front coming into the area probably by this evening, and it'll be crossing the region overnight into early Friday, and there may be some limited chance of some rain, mainly across the north and northwest sections of the area. Fire concerns, we'll have some fire concerns for Friday. Elevated chances in the wake of the front. There'll be some light breezy conditions along with low humidity in the elevated areas. And then in other areas, humidities will be just a little bit higher with some limited winds. Open burning is definitely discouraged, especially in the elevated areas. For the weekend, fire concerns will continue Saturday through Monday, mainly due to low humidity and prolonged droughts. We'll maintain fire danger conditions. Be sure to heed local burn bans and use any caution for any kind of outdoor burning. Here's a drought situation. Rainfall amounts generally only been about 2 to 10% of normal during the past month. Looking at the drought situation for Mississippi, central Mississippi is generally in the severe and extreme drought range over most of the central counties. Looking at Louisiana, we're at moderate to severe drought conditions over northeast Louisiana parishes. And in southeast Arkansas, we have moderate drought conditions. Looking at the 7-day forecast, today it'll be generally partly cloudy, highs in the low to middle 80s. But in the wake of the front on Friday through Wednesday, highs generally be in the middle to upper 70s. Lows will be generally in the upper 50s, lower 60s Friday night, and then generally will be in the 40s and 50s Friday through Sunday, and then will moderate into the 50s Monday through Wednesday. There'll be just a limited chance of some very light rain as we go into late Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. The extended forecast as we go into next week, an upper surface trough will come across the area as we get some return flow coming out of the Gulf. But unfortunately, precip amounts will generally be on the light side. Precip amounts generally from 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch on the average. Not enough for any drought relief. Thanks for viewing NWS Jackson Multimedia Weather Briefing. These briefings usually conducted on Mondays, sometimes on Thursdays. If you have any feedback, suggestions, please contact us by phone, Facebook, or Twitter. Thanks for your time.